This is 2024 Toyota Tacoma. Customer purchased that LED lights that goes in here. The right way to take this one out is to take the bumper off, push the clips from behind. We're not doing that. We're gonna make it a little simpler than taking the whole bumper off. It's basically a clip that's spread open. You're gonna have to push the tab inward to release the tabs. There's about 6 of them there. I already got the other side out. I'm going to show you how we did it. Okay, so this one is from the driver's side. How we got it out, as I said, the right way to do it is to take the bumper off, push the tabs from behind. I'm going to show you what's behind. See these little locking clips right here? So when they are snapped in order to take these out, you're going to have to push these right here inward to release. There's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We broke these 2 top ones off, but since we are not using that, it doesn't matter. If you pry this hard enough, it just comes off. It's snug, but it does come off. It's a lot simpler than taking the whole bumper off. So you just simply pry that off, carefully pry one by one, it comes off. So this is a new light, basically same way. Of course, these have a locking tabs now. So once we snap it in, it locks in place. Then you're gonna run the wires for the parking light, turn signal, and you're gonna hook that up. So we ran this wire, there's a plug and play right there, the red, white, and black wire that's connected right here. And we got the ground wire here on the black. And we got white and red here. We're gonna figure it out what's what. Most likely the white is the parking. The red might be daytime running light, which goes to the ignition. So it does that. And this one is parking, stays on all the time. And this should be turn signal. So that's the turn signal. So we're gonna hook this up to the turn signal. Ignition, the red wire, white is parking, black is ground. Driver side, turn signal wire is a 10 from this amber one that's on the corner. So that is connected to the 10 wire here. Alright, so the parking light is middle one, which is a white red. We're gonna connect the white wire to this middle one, which is a white red.